Do you often feel that your energy levels aren't what they used to be? Many seniors believe that constant fatigue is just a natural part of turning 60. But what if the secret to feeling 20 years younger was hiding in your kitchen? Today, we're revealing 3 doctor-recommended foods that can recharge your battery and keep you active all day long. Let's dive in. The foundation of a high-energy day starts with your first meal. Doctors highly recommend steel-cut oats. Unlike sugary cereals that cause an energy crash, oats provide a slow-burn energy release. Pair them with blueberries, often called a superfood in the US. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your heart and keep your mind sharp. It's the perfect combo for long-lasting stamina. Next, let's talk about healthy fats. As we age, our joints and brain need extra care. Walnuts are a favorite among nutritionists for people over 60. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and boost brain function. Just a handful a day can prevent that afternoon brain fog and keep your joints feeling flexible. Did you know that most fatigue is actually caused by mild dehydration? Many seniors don't drink enough water because they don't feel thirsty. Doctors suggest adding a slice of lemon to your water. Not only does it improve the taste, but the vitamin C and electrolytes provide a natural lift to your metabolism, helping you feel lighter and more energized instantly. Improving your health doesn't have to be complicated. By making these 3 small additions to your routine, you can reclaim your vitality. Which of these will you try tomorrow morning? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Elder Wellness for more doctor-inspired tips for a better life. Stay healthy.